Good morning, residents of Johannesburg. This is Cllr Mpumi Edward, the Chairperson of Section 79 Finance Committee in the City of Johannesburg. This morning, as you can see at my back here, we're in Crosby. There's an informal settlement. We're here with a team. We're doing a multidisciplinary operation this morning with various departments that are here. City Power is here, JMPD is here. And if you look at my back here, you can see there's an informal settlement where we are disconnecting illegal connections. Residents of Johannesburg, as you know, that illegal connections cost the city millions of losses per year. So we're saying now enough is enough. We need to assist our residents to connect to the grid legally, and we're disconnecting them today. As you can see over there, there's also a CSS room here where there's the cabling and wiring that has been connected illegally. So today we're with a team and we're saying we're taking down all the illegal disconnections in this community. We believe also that SAPS has done several operations here in this community, and immediately after they leave, they then connect themselves back to the grid. And today we brought a big team from SAPS to address this issue. We hope that after this big operation, that no illegal connections are going to be found in this area ever again. But we will be keeping a very close eye to ensure that the residents here do not connect back to the grid.